Hi everyone, welcome to channel Qtomation. Let's see one more program which is frequently asked during interview. To remove special characters and numbers from string. So let's say we have one input string which contains special character as well as numbers in it. And we want to remove special characters and numbers from that string. For example, let's say input is like this, which contains, so input string contains number as well as some special characters in it. And my requirement is I want to remove all those numbers and all the special characters from that string. And I want output like this, welcome. After removing all the numbers and after removing all the special characters from the string, we want to extract only the alphabet values from that specific string. Now let's see how we can achieve it. So let's go to PyCharm. In PyCharm, I am creating a new Python file. So let's create a new Python file. Removal of special characters and numbers from string. So now let's define one input string. So my string is, that string will contain numbers as well as, so I am first defining one string which can contain numbers, random numbers, as well as some random special characters as well. Now if you see, this is the string which contains some numbers and special characters also. And my requirement is I want to remove all those number and special character. For that we can use one method, that is alpha method in Python. So first we will use for loop and we will get every character from this string one by one. So let's say for char in my string, then we will check that specific character is, so we will check if that specific character is alphabet or not. So is alpha method is basically used on string to check whether that string contains only alphabets or not. And the same is alpha method we can use on characters as well. So if that specific character is alphabet, then it will return true, else it will return false. So what we will do is we will define one more string, let's say new string, which will initially have no value in it. We have defined one new string that is having no value initially in it, and then we are checking for every character in my string. So first w will be present in char, then we are checking if that character by using isAlpha method. So isAlpha method will return true if that is alphabet and not a special character or any number. So in that case what we will do, we will use new str equals to new str plus char. So we are basically performing concatenation operation. So we are concatenating that value to new string. So now initially what value will be, it will be having in the first iteration. So first w will be present in char. It will check if w is alphabet, yes. So it will append that w value to this empty string. So initial value will become w. Then in the next iteration it will check for e. For e in my string, if e dot is alpha, is e alphabet, yes. So again new string equals to new string plus that specific character, that means e. Then it will check for 2. Again it will check 2 in my string. If 2 is alphabet, no, it is false. So it will not enter in the in this if block. So it will not append that value in this new string. It will go to next iteration. In the next iteration, it will check for 3. Again, 3 is alphabet? No. So it will again go to next iteration. 4 is alphabet? No. It will again go to next iteration. L. L is alphabet? Yes. So it will append L now. Similarly, it will check for special character as well. So special characters are also not is alphabet, right? So it will also not enter in the if block. So at the end, it will eventually give you output like this, welcome. Only the alphabets will be fetched and they will be appended into the new str. And when for this output, at the end we can simply print new str. So now if you execute this file, when you execute this file, we are getting only the alphabet value of the specific string. All the special characters and numbers got removed. So this is our requirement, right? So this is the code to remove all the numbers as well as special characters from our string. So we have used which method? IsAlpha method. IsAlpha method in Python is used to check whether all the characters in a string are alphabetic. This method will return true if all characters in the string are alphabetic and there is at least one character, otherwise it will return false. So all characters should be alphabets only in that string. If there is even one character which is not alphabet, it will return false. And this same IsAlpha method we can use on single character as well. So in the program which we have seen just now, in which we have checked that every specific character is alphabet or not. So that will return true if that character is alphabetic. And if that is not an alphabetic, then it will return false. If it's a special character or if it's a number, then it will return false. So that is IsAlpha method in Python, and that's what we can use for removing special characters and numbers from the string. So thank you for watching this video.